When you bought on a budget, you know, challenge myself to try and get on the water for as cheap as possible. I'm trying to do it with a budget of £300. So I've been on Marketplace on Facebook, which is, you know, you can find some absolutely amazing bargains. I'm actually on the road now to go and pick up an outboard. Good old Seagull. You know, every boaters love them. They're a fantastic little engine. They're still relatively cheap to buy, and you know, they're so reliable and simple. I thought Seagull's the way to go. Well, I bought it. Nice tidy little Seagull. Just going to put my bags down. I'm going to get the car all full of God knows what. Awesome, so I've got an outboard now, a little Seagull. Next thing is the boat, so let's keep going. Like a small blow up tender. There's nothing out there at the minute, but I've still got a bit of time, so fingers crossed someone's bored at home and thinks I'm going to sell that really smart dinghy I've got, and I'm going to sell it really cheap, and I'm going to try and buy it if they do. Bit of a gamble, but it's so old, it's like really retro. I love it. I think it's going to look really smart, so I've just put it at the front of the house. I'm going to put some air in it, give it a wash down. Look, even the bits. Look, Seacraft 9-foot inflatable boat. Ba 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 ba. Yeah, it doesn't look much, does it? Seacraft. Or is that G? Well, it's C, innit? C-craft. First things first, let's get some air into that boat and see what it looks like. It did come with a foot pump, but today I'm feeling lazy. Plus I bought this little battery operated pump, so I want to see how that works, because that's why I bought it. So when I get an inflatable I can use this rather than spending, well, it's just an easier way in it. Right, let's do this. It's all blown up now. I did have to get the foot pump out and do it just because it needs a bit more high pressure, and the battery one wasn't enough pressure to push it up. But look, it's even got a seat that goes on here. Yeah, I think that'll do. So I've got myself some warm soapy water in here. Just going to give it a spray. I'm not going to go too mad on the clean up, just because if it has got any punctures then I'll have to deal with that first. But if I just get some of the grime off, I've given it a wet down. Now I'm going to get the old bucket and sponge on it and give it a proper wipe down. Time. So that's the boat sorted. I'm really happy with the purchase, and it was below £100. So the next thing to talk about is what's going to push it. I mean, there is oars, I could use it and, you know, roll. So what I've done now is put an old cabinet underneath what I had lying around in the garage, put the dinghy on top, and I'm thinking about mounting the outboard to it. Seeing how the outboard looks, you know, we've talked a lot about the boat, the dinghy, but it's time to see what's going to power this beast. And here's the beast. Good old Seagull. This is a 40 plus. It's like 1958-56. It's in really good condition. I bought it off a guy called Malcolm from the Seagull page on Facebook. If you're into seagulls, check the Seagull Facebook out. It's really good. It's a really good group. Loads of interesting people on there. Always got really interesting facts about seagulls. So what I'm going to do now is mount it on, see what it looks like.
That's going to work a treat.
Fantastic, isn't it? Perfect little setup. Getting on the water, having a potter around, you know, rivers, you know, shallow coastal areas. Can't wait to try it out. I've just been checking the tides, but the tides are out at the minute, plus it's windy, so I want to wait for a calm day. I'll just do a quick demonstration that the Seagull runs. I'm not going to run it for long because it's not in water, but I'm just going to be a quick blip and then you can see it running and hear it. Right, let's see how many pulls it takes. I'm not in the best position. Could have done that in one pull, but my first was really pathetic and I was at a funny angle, but 2 pulls, starts, can't go wrong. So I've got an outboard, I've got a boat, all ready for the water, can't wait to water test it. If you want to see me water test this, keep watching, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks very much for watching.